The first thing we want to do is talk about part naming, assigning colors and materials. And that way, whenever we start putting our technical drawing together, it's going to make more sense. So if it says something like part one over here, let's right click on this and choose rename and call it something like rim or wheel or something like that. Let's put wheel rim. Okay. Note about capitalization. I don't care if you use all caps or mixed case or all lowercase, just be consistent. If you look at my sketches here, I tend to use uppercase for everything, which is ANSI standard. If you want to use mixed case, feel free to do that. Just be consistent. Don't have uppercase and then sometimes all lowercase and then sometimes mixed case. Choose one and stick with it, okay? So next thing, we've got it named, so whenever we are choosing parts to put into our assemblies and into our drawings or sketches, not sketches, into our assemblies and our drawings, it's going to have appropriate titles with it. The next thing we want to do is let's go ahead and assign some, or let's edit appearance. Use some colors that help you distinguish the parts. Don't like have everything the default blue. And in this case, this is going to be a metal part. So I'm going to choose something kind of yellow or gray. So that's good. And then hit check on that, and then I can close. So now I've got a different color. And then the other thing we want to do is right click and choose assign material. When you do this, it starts letting you use the little scales over here to tell you about volumes and masses and that sort of thing. And on this one, I've already set it as aluminum, but if you look at this list, there is a lot of stuff here. So what if we said we wanted this to be a bronze lead wheel rim? And then when we hit check, and then we go over here and choose this part, then we click on the little scales. It's going to tell us its actual mass along with its volume and center of gravity and that sort of thing. So those are the first few things you need to do is give it a name, assign a color, and then assign a material. Find the ones that you are going to be using. If we are 3D printing, choose PLA. You could also use things like stainless steel and copper and aluminum, whatever you are looking at there. Try to get close to what you're actually going to model with. So that is enough on that.